Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's date is 25 January 2023. Today's my technical topic is methods in Java programming language. First of all, what are the methods? Method is the block of code or set of statement to perform the specific task or specific operation in Java programming language. Methods provide us reusability, means we don't need to write one code again and again. We can reuse method by using of method name. And also methods provide modification, means we can modify the method code by using of methods. Next is method also provide readability, means we can read the method at the specific location in our program and in our softwares. Next is what are the declaration of method in Java programming language, and what is the exact signature of the method in Java. Firstly, methods have access modifier or access specifier. It's allow to visibility of the methods where it can be accessible. There are three types of access modifier to the methods. First is public. It's allowed to method overall the program. Next is protected, and next is private. And if we don't define the access modifier in front of method, then it is set to default access modifier. Next is return type, means what the method return the value. There are various types of return type. For example, it's primitive data types and object collection etc. And if we don't have the return a value, then we use void keywords as a return type. Next is method name. Method name should be similar to the performing the operation. For example, we need to perform addition, then we can give the name to the method is addition, and the method name is start from the lowercase and it's follow the camel case alphabet rules for the declaring the name of the method. Next is parameters list, means we can pass the parameter into the parenthesis of the method. It's we can pass the primitive data types as well as non-primitive data types. It is the parameter of the methods. So by using of two round bracket, we can define the parameter and pass in the parameter. Next is method body. In method body, we can write the code for the performing specific operation, and the method body is enclosed in the two curly braces. It is overall the signature of the method. Next is what are the types of method in Java programming language. There are basically two types of methods. First is predefined methods and next is user defined methods. Predefined methods, it's already defined in the Java class libraries. We can use that particular methods for performing specific operation. The examples of the predefined methods are length method, square root methods, and equals methods and contains etc. Next is user defined method. User defined methods, those are the methods which is write by the user or a program for a specific operation or task. For example, we need to perform the addition of two numbers, Then we can define the addition methods. It's called a user defined method. We can number of methods defined in our program by using of method signature. And next is Java also have static methods, abstract method. Static methods are associated with the class. And next is abstract methods. Abstract method is declared by using of abstract keywords. Abstract method don't have body and don't have implementation of that particular method. We can implement that particular method by using of another class or another method. It is all about the methods in Java programming language. Thank you.